Today we're taking another look at Terra's Luna coin, performing some technical analysis and making some predictions on where we can expect to see Luna go in the near future. Let's get into it. Welcome back into the Luna chart, guys. If you'd like to buy Luna or want some free Bitcoin, there are a couple of links down in the description of today's video. But as you can see, we have unfortunately broken past our major, uptrend that we were seeing, and we are also below some key support points that we had in place. So first and foremost, that 78 cent mark, or and then we're moving over here, $78 mark, and this $86 mark. They were two key points of support for us moving into, the next few days. Unfortunately, they've now failed. So we've moved down a bit more, and it looks like I'd suggest the next point of, major support would be likely at where our 50-day moving average is at the $68 mark. So unfortunately, if we can't recover, we are going back down to that point. But all in all, if you do recall, I mentioned Luna has to cool off. Look at this run. This has been going for quite a long period of time. So yes, it is probably about time that we see Luna start to cool off a bit. And the good thing about this is it is going, in a cooling off method, but the volume isn't huge. We're not seeing massive dumps of Luna. And in fact, I think a lot of people are holding and waiting just for the overall crypto market start to recover once again. What we're going to see in the RSI is basically something similar. You're going to see it dropping. We were in that overbought mark towards the end of December. We've now dropped all the way down to 46.56. So we've been tumbling basically from that point where we had, our all-time high on the 27th of December, all-time high being $106. Really, really good stuff there. We've dropped back to $76. These sort of dips occur. They're healthy. We should expect them. Ideally though, what we want to see is a bounce off this $68 mark. We don't really want to be going below that, because then we're going to start seeing the 20-day moving average start to move towards that 50-day moving average, which would not be good for the coin. Let's have a look at the MACD as well, guys. As you can see, the cross occurred and we've continued in that downwards direction. Unfortunately, I did think maybe we were starting to see a bit of a reversal here, just purely because we had a nice little green day and this started to hollow out slightly, but no, that red period has continued, unfortunately. But it is all good in the long term for this coin. It needed to cool off. It's been going for a long period of time. What we need to wait to see now is if this key support point will be able to hold up, or if the price even gets there. I think it might. It's looking like we're heading in that direction at the moment, and the whole market doesn't really have too much strength at the moment. But we want to see the 12-day EMA cross back above the 26-day EMA. That will be the catalyst for us to basically start moving in the right direction again. That wraps up our analysis on Luna coin today, guys. I'd love to hear your thoughts on it down in the comments section below. And of course, if you did enjoy today's analysis, make sure you do leave a thumbs up. And if you want to see more of this sort of content, hit subscribe and turn on those bell notifications. And with that, guys, I'll leave it there. I hope you have an awesome day. I'll see you next time. Cheers.